All viruses change over time as they look for ways to survive. That means the variants of coronavirus in circulation at the moment are normal. That's the virus trying to escape human immunity. While certain strains of the virus appear to be more infectious, including the England and South African variants, scientists say there is not enough evidence to suggest the new strains are more deadly. So why the cause for concern? Scientists are worried that a new variant might be able to escape the current suite of vaccines, rendering them ineffective against a version of the virus they haven't been designed for. While scientists are confident the vaccines work against the UK strain, there's still a question mark over the South African variant. A recent South African study suggested the variant could overcome natural immunity, meaning the virus was able to evade antibodies generated by previous infection. Data from the Novavax and Johnson & Johnson trials also showed their vaccine was only 60% effective against the South African strain, compared to 86% for the UK strain. The good news is that the vaccines can be altered to fight the new strains. But that will take time, precious time that the world does not have, as the Covid-19 death toll continues to climb. The challenge now is to stay one step ahead of the virus, pushing on with vaccinations, suppressing the new variants, and buying crucial time for vaccines to be redesigned.
Oxford University's researchers are now saying that a single dose of the AstraZeneca drug is 76% effective up to 12 weeks after it's given. But more interestingly, they have found that spacing out the second dose by a longer period further increases its efficacy. This comes after continued and worrying disinformation coming out of the EU questioning the efficacy of AstraZeneca in the over 65s. But curiously, at the same time, Europe's leaders are fuming that they're extremely short of vaccines. It's a strange one for sure. But back in Britain, an astonishing potential breakthrough has been made by scientists developing a drug that can treat people suffering from COVID in their home. TG, Thapsigargin, could be a game changer, and it might also cure the common cold as well as influenza. If licensed, it could prevent thousands of people requiring hospital treatment. This will really help out wards overflowing with patients in need of intensive care beds. The drug's chief researcher, Professor Kin Chao Chang of Nottingham University, told us at the National that they'd found a drug that was highly effective against the three most important human respiratory viruses. So with a good headwind and the right funding and political backing, TG could become available by the end of this year and really help out.